How to write an essay using ChatGPT. Now, if you are a beginner and you don't know how to give proper prompt to ChatGPT and you want to write an essay using this AI, here's what you can do. Just follow these steps. I will show you guys in this video. Now, to generate a prompt, to give a proper prompt to ChatGPT, what we can do is we can ask ChatGPT to generate that prompt for us. For example, I can say that give me a proper prompt for asking ChatGPT to write an essay with citations. And ChatGPT himself itself will do this just like that, according to my requirements, like this. And now we can copy this and we can replace some of the information in it. For example, here we can insert the word count. By default, it has set it to 1000 words. And we can do this. Let's say, let me just edit this. Here we can insert our topic. Let's say our topic is AI in 2025. And now here's some of the details of our essay. We can add something in it or we can simply remove something from that. And here I have added included citations in it. I can style that citation style. For example, my style is gonna be Harvard. So like that. And here's the proper prompt that we can use for our essay. Now I can use this prompt to generate that essay for me. Just like that, it has started generating that essay for us. That's how you can go and write this for your own topic. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.